Today we are going to discuss updating your Saltillo device by downloading the update from the website. The first thing that you're going to need to do is go to our website at saltillo.com. Next, hover over Support and Training and click on Downloads. Scroll down to select the device that you will be updating. Today I'm going to update a NovaChat 8. Once you find your device, select the language that you would like to download. I'm going to choose English. It is important to note that most updates must be done in sequential order unless the update specifically states otherwise. In this case, you'll see that there is a 2.3 to 2.4 update, a 2.3 to 2.5 update, or a 2.3 to 2.6 update. So this one would allow you to skip right from 2.3 to 2.6. Today I'm going to be updating my software from 2.5 to 2.6. Click on your appropriate software update, and you should see the download begin. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few minutes. Once your download has completed, connect your device to your computer using the included USB cable. Your computer should recognize your device as a tablet. Go ahead and click on the tablet. Double-click on Chat PC. Double-click on Update. And then go to your Downloads folder. Right-click on the update that you downloaded. Copy it. And paste it into the Update folder on your device. Once the update has finished copying, you can disconnect your device from your computer. Now back on the device, I'm going to go to Menu, to Help, check for Updates, and Install Now. You may want to pause your video as this will take a few minutes. Next, you'll see an Install button appear. Go ahead and tap on that. Once the update has finished installing, your software will load, and your update will be complete.